Hey everyone, welcome back. Today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, we are cooking up something absolutely amazing. I am looking for a Southern comfort kind of dish, and I know just the thing. Today we're going to be doing a simple cabbage and potato, and I'm going to show you how to make it. But first, I'm going to show you what we're going to be using. We're going to get started with cutting our veggies, our garlic, our onion, and our cabbage. We're going to need about 4 slices of this bacon. And we're just going to cut it up. I know I told you all that we were going to be using a skillet for this. We're not. We're using a pot. This is cooked cabbage and potatoes. Big difference. To my pot, I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil just to keep the bacon from sticking. You know it's going to render itself fat, and that's what we're going to use for flavoring. So go ahead and add your bacon into your pot. Whoa. Man overboard. And we're just going to fry this up until it's done. Alright, you can go ahead and throw your onion in. I'm going to continue to cook this until they're nice and translucent, and then we'll add our garlic. Alright, and with the garlic. And we're just going to cook this until the garlic starts releasing some of this flavor. Which will take about 30 seconds to a minute. Now you can go ahead and add your cabbage in. I haven't cut my potatoes yet. I'll cut those after my cabbage is cooked, probably for about 20 or 30 minutes. I'll cut my potatoes and then we'll add those in there as well. If you put the potatoes in when you put the cabbage in, then they will be done way before the cabbage is, to my liking. We've got bacon juice, bacon drippings, all of that cabbage there. We're going to add some black pepper. Lots of black pepper. And then we're going to add some minced onions. We'll flavor it really well. Notice I didn't cut my cabbage up as small as I do normally when I fry it. I think Mom used to leave hers like, big leaves when she made cabbage. Cooked cabbage and potatoes. Alright. any additional salt because I'm going to add some chicken stock. I'm going to add about, I don't know, I get 2 cups in there. God, it smells amazing. Add a little bit more of the chicken stock and the bacon grease. Oh my God, it's gonna flavor it so good. I'm gonna bring this back up to boil. I'm gonna put a lid on it and I'm gonna let it cook just until the cabbage starts getting nice and soft. Okay, I did taste this for saltiness, and I think that we're going to add a little bit of salt, but I think we're going to use onion salt instead of regular salt. Just make it so much better. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper. Put the lid on it and let it taste. Cook all the way through. Alright guys, it's done. And I can't wait to dig in. It smells so good. Made me a little tiny skillet of cornbread because that's all I had enough to make. That's enough for me. Potatoes are cooked perfectly. Let me tell you something. I think I'm gonna get me a green onion to go with it. I got a tomato, a little bit of cornbread, and I'm gonna go sit down and eat. I hope you like this recipe. You know I love you guys very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Take care.